Whether this is the best time is one thing. Whether today's judgment provides an opportunity for that time to be converted into a reality is quite another matter. If the judgment, if the judges have simply said it's time barred, that's over, that in fact would have allowed much more healing. After all, that's a technical question. Unfortunately, today's judgment actually goes into whether it was a mosque or not, whether the mosque was built over a temple or not.
But these were questions which were put before the judge. These were questions which were, they could have said, they could have said that they didn't want to address them. They have chosen to address them.
The fact that the judges in their wisdom chose to address these questions means that those questions will now be debated in public fora, and obviously some people would want Supreme Court to settle them in ways which is much better.
Okay, let me bring in Ravi Shankar Prasad. He was appearing in the court for one of the petitioners. I don't know what hat you're wearing, Mr. Prasad, because you've been wearing different hats over the last few days. Senior counsel, BJP spokesperson, member of parliament. But in your capacity as both, I may ask today, senior counsel and BJP MP and spokesperson, do you see this window of opportunity created by this judgment? And can you specify what this opportunity you see in the judgment is?
First, Rajdeep, it is very important to understand the judgment, what I heard a discussion about. Muslims never questioned that Ayodhya is not sacred for Hindus. They never doubted that Ram is divine for Hindus. They never disputed that Ram was not born in Ayodhya as Hindu believed to be. The area of dispute was, the disputed area is not the place where the Hindu believe it to be born.
Yes.
And their second plea was, it is the Babri mosque by tradition which Babur had constructed, and they are entitled to get possession of it.
Yes.
Accordingly, issues were framed. And for the gentleman sitting in your studio, for your kind information, in Ismail Farooqi case, a constitution bench asked the court to decide all these questions.
The gentleman is your friend, Yogendra Yadav.
Fair enough. Yogendra is my very good friend.
Yes.
But we differ on many other issues also.
Yes.
Therefore, his sweeping comments is entitled to, and I am also entitled to very strongly differ with that.
Yes.
Point I am trying to highlight or now is, one of my argument was that Ram Janmasthan is akin to a deity known to Hindu law, where a deity is a representative of the real infinite God, which is omnipresent, eternal and permanent. Now today, by a majority, Justice Sudhir Agrawal and Justice Dharmir Sharma have held that the place where Lord Ram Lala is Virajman today is a deity which the Hindus have been worshipping since generations as believed to be the place of his birth.
Right.
Justice S.U. Khan, sir, though not specifically saying so, has also held that a large part of area has been worshipped by the Hindus prior to the construction of the mosque in question.
Yes.
Though not the specific part in question. Now one judge has dismissed the Muslims claim outright. Other judge, Justice Sudhir Agrawal, has also dismissed the Muslim suit outright.
Yes.
Now there are two versions. Justice Sharma has held the entire area is to be like Ram Janmasthan elevated as a deity. Justice Sudhir Agrawal has held it is a deity. Where Ram Allah is Virajman.
So I've gone through the judgment. The significant point I'm asking you is the 1/3, 1/3, 1/3 formula. Is that an acceptable formula to you? That the Nirmohi Akhada gets 1/3, the Hindus get 1/3, and the Sunni Waqf Board gets 1/3. Is that acceptable to you?
This kind of acquisition I am seeing on your channel since the day the time judgment has come about.
No.
Others have been told.
No, sir. Not at all.
Sir, Rajdeep, please.
Yes.
Rajdeep, please.
Yes.
What I am trying to highlight, what I said there. Today I have appealed to the Muslim community. That the area of dispute was only this, whether Ram was born there. And if in terms of a properly framed issue, it has been answered.
Yes.
I have requested them to accept this judgment in all humility. Let a new reconciliation come about. Let a Ram temple be constructed there. And I see the resurgence of a new India there.